Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry it's been a while. Things have been crazy. So anyway, I'm back today. I saw these and was very intrigued. I've seen the mystery balls that you get. I don't know why I'm doing that. Anyway, so I saw these, which are jumbo mystery capsules. So I saw the Stitch one, which I was just gonna get, and then I saw the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington, and I'm obsessed with Nightmare Before Christmas. So it doesn't give you much details on the back, but I thought it would be fun to open them and see what's in. So it says there's 9 things inside, so we're gonna pop them open and see. So let's shove that one out of the way a wee bit. Let's see if I can pop this open. Can I? Oh, I can't even get it open. Oh, there we go. Oh no, that didn't work. Oh. Oh, there we go. What do we think it'll be? It's so cute. Oh, look at his little nose. Right, how do we open? Oh, we just pull. Oh! Oh, goodies. Shall we start with this big one? What's it going to be? Oh, I need my scissors. Oh! Oh, it's a slinky! Oh, why is it not all coming apart? Oh, there we go. Why have to pull it all? It's got a Stitch face on it. Oh, it's cute. I haven't had a Slinky since I was a kid. Oh, I used to love these. Now when you do the trick of it going downstairs. Oh, okay. So we've got a little Slinky. What else have we got? I love that there's nothing on these bags to give it away. Okay, what else? Oh, we've got a little, what's glittery as well? A little Stitch with these little rubber ring. There you can see the kind of glittery bit on it, I mean. Oh, cute. Let's get rid of that. What else? So, third thing. Feels like another figure. Oh! It's the girl. I can never remember the girl's name. Angel? Is it Angel? I can never remember her name. Oh, cute. And she's pink glittery as well. Sparkly. Oh, that's cute. I think her name's Angel. Right? If I'm wrong, please put it in the comments what her name actually is. Oh, this looks like it might be stickers or something. I can kind of see it through the bag. Oh, let's see. I'm getting it. What is it? What is these stickers? Oh, cute. He loves a rubber ring. What does that say? Oh, it just says Stitch. Oh, wrong way. And then a little face at the bottom. Cute. Oh, let me get. Let's see. What? Oh, that's the bag you double. Oh, this feels like a key ring. Oh, this is fun. I need to get some of those balls and try them because I think this would be so fun. Oh, what is a keyring? And it's a Stitch face. Oh, cute. Oh, there's a little mark in its face. Hopefully that will come off. But yeah, little keyring. Oh, can't even keep hold it. Little. I don't like these ones. There we go. Little keyring. Oh, lovely. And then. What else? What's this? Oh, one has a pull tab, like a wee reseal bit. Oh, it's got colouring pencils. Oh, 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 okay. Oh, is it a little acrylic-y? I don't know what that material is. But, oh, it's got a little stand. So you colour it in and then you pop it on the stand. Right? Cute. Oh. Oh, that's cute. So you get wee stitchy and then the stitch face. Oh, okay. Let's pop that together. I'll pop that back in the wee bag, actually, just so that I don't lose it. There for now. Let's see. Oh, I think this might be a plushie. Some kind of plushie. Cut it properly. Needs to not want to work. Oh, it is. Oh, it's cute. Oh, isn't that Leo's just sort of squished? That's a little keyring plushie. Oh, so cute. I love how they put a little Leo on him as well. And he's got his little surfboard. Okay, let's pop him in the slinky. Okay, last thing. Actually, let's close up his wee head. Put that over there. Let's see what this wee last one is. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's a little poster. Cute. Aloha. Oh, cute. Okay, so that was our stitch ball. Okay, so let's see what's inside Jack. I'm very excited for this one. That is a wee bit grubby, just from sitting out. But I'm hoping it'll clean up nice, because I was going to put them sitting somewhere, maybe. Ooh. Okay. Oh. What's inside? Okay, let's see. So this one's the same, so it says 9 items inside. Let's see. What are we going to get? What's this one? Oh, what's that? Oh, it's like a little wallet. Like a little pouch. Oh, cute. Oh, we have Sally. Oh, cute. Okay, first thing. Oh, it's a big one. Oh. Oh, this feels like a puzzle. Feels like jigsaw pieces. Should we open this one last? I feel like it will go everywhere. Okay, let's leave that one to last. Let's do this one. What do we get? Oh. What do we get? What do we get? Oh, Sally. Oh, sweet keyring. That's cute. Oh, it's half of a heart. Oh, I wonder if that means we're going to get the other half. Does it? Okay. Let's see. I kind of wish they'd done a different colour for these, because you can kind of see through a wee bit. Oh, we do. So we get Jack and Sally fit together perfectly in love. Cute. Okay, what else we got? Oh, it's a wee Jack. Oh, he can sit beside my wee one I got at Primark a while ago. Primark, sorry. Primark. Oh, this kind of feels like another figure. Could this be Sally? Oh, oh, it is. Oh, cute. They don't move or anything, they're all just placed. Okay. I love how the Jack one's kind of like in his Eureka pose. Sorry, I love the film. Actually, that's really bad to say. I love the film. I haven't even watched it yet. I think I've watched it once this year. And that was before Halloween. Oh, we have stickers. Are they stickers? Yes. Stickers. I just love that little smiley face. Is that weird? Probably. Oh. What do we have here? I feel like this might be another Slinky. Oh, it's purple. Oh, I thought it was just plain. Oh. Oh, I love these. Great little fidget toy. And then this one, let me put his face back together. I think this is Jigsaw. That's what it feels like. But I kind of wish they'd done a resale bag. Because, yeah, the pieces are going to go everywhere. Yes, it's a Jigsaw. Stick. Oh, stick them out the way. Oh, okay. Do we get a picture of what it is? Is that what this is? Oh, I think this might be what it is. Oh, and we have 0. Oh, cute. How many pieces is it though? It doesn't say. No. It doesn't tell us any info. Cute. I love a Jigsaw. So this will get done. I'm going to try and pop it back in the bag for now. Because obviously I don't have space to do it right now. But if I do it, when I do it, I will take a picture and post it on the community tab, I think. Is it even called a community tab in posts? The post thing. Or a short, maybe. I don't know. I'll post it on the channel somewhere. Oh, get back in there. It's a good wee mixture. I don't know if every box is the same or if they mix it up. Let me sort these and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so good wee selection. I love these little Stitch figures and my Jack and Sally. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I do have a few of the other balls, the mystery balls. I picked them up, but I don't know if I might do it as a video, we'll see. But once I do the Jigsaw, I definitely will post it somewhere. It'll either be on the community tab or as a short, just to let you see it done if you want to. If not, I'll still post it. If you're not interested, fine. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.